Welcome to BOSE Classical Sports Car and Thompson Smith. Today we're pleased to offer to you this very low mileage Porsche 911 Carrera T. It's finished in white, it's got a host of factory options, obviously rear wheel drive, lightweight version of the 911, 380 brake horsepower. This one is fitted with the 7-speed manual gearbox. It's a host of options, it's only done 14,000 miles to own the car. The white paintwork is all original, the wheels are not scuffed, the interior is in lovely condition. As we show you around the car, you'll see some of the features and the condition. Okay, these 911Ts were sort of a stripped down version. They don't have rear seats as standard or radio or Sat Nav. This one's got the options, they're all no-cost options. It sits on these 20-inch Carrera S alloys, which are finished in titanium, which is unique to this model. Okay, we've got these Agate Grey Sport Design mirrors. There's some options on the car. As we look round, you'll see we've got the Bi Xenon PDLS headlamps. You can see the front park sensors there. Again, the paintwork's in superb condition, as are the wheels and the tyres. So we come out to the rear, factory fitted sports exhaust system, switchable sports exhaust system, and also you'll notice this car has got the rear park sensors and the optional reversing camera. Okay, it's a windy day today, so I do apologise for the sound quality. So there we are, that's the outside of the car in superb condition. Right, when we go to the inside, first thing you will notice, this vehicle is fitted with the rear seats, and it's also got the Carrera T Package, which gives you these lovely seats with the silver contrast stitchings, silver 911 embroidered on the headrests. This car also has extended leather with the white stitching there. We've got BOSE speakers, we've got the silver seat belts and door pulls, and you also see the leather dashboard with the Sport Chrono. This car is also extended leather in the form of the centre binnacle there around the steering column and everything, and also the fuse box holders. We've got a tracker, fob bar and phone charger in the centre. As we go along the centre console, you'll see the sports exhaust and the adjustable suspension there. And also this car's got heated seats, that's got the navigation. We've also got a GT Sport steering wheel, multifunction control with the Sport Chrono switches there. This steering wheel is also heated as well. Okay, big feature on this car are the 18-way adaptive sports seats. Again, everything's in superb condition. We've got Porsche floor mats there, sports pedals. Inside the back, we see the rear seats with the silver grey seat belts and also the silver pinstripe stitching. We've got rear footwell lights there as well, and also the Alcantara headline, and there's also got the optional Alcantara sunvisors. So inside the car, you'll see the car has done 14,732 miles. So it's two-owner car. First service was carried out at Porsche at around 11,000 miles in September 2020. It's a few months late, but we're obviously in 2020, we're in lockdown. So there we are, the condition of the car is superb. It's got a smoker's pack there. One thing I did omit to mention on the outside, the car has got rear axle steering. There we see the navigation, all the media controls, the map, we've got the apps and everything, DAB radio. So all in all, a superb package, I'd say this is probably one of the highest specification cars available, and the options were £11,500 when it was new. So if you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 602222 or visit our website wallsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this lovely low mileage Carrera T. So 2018, 14,000 miles from new, 7-speed manual car. A host of options including the rear seats, navigation, heated seats, rear axle steering, really silver grey stitching with the Carrera T Pack, which gives us the leather dashboard. We've also got leather steering column. We've got the GT multifunction steering wheel. We've got alcantara headlining and alcantara sunvisors. Really a nice place to be, especially this 7-speed manual transmission. So we've got Sport Chrono, sports exhaust, 20mm lowered suspension. We turn the sport button on the Chrono, puts the sports exhaust on, put it to sports plus, notice things change again, it brings the suspension down, firm suspension again. Cruise control, we've got traffic sign recognition, we've got BOSE speakers, so really nicely equipped car. Okay, we're just in normal sport mode now, so nothing heroic. On the downward shift you get the blip of the throttle. Lovely burble from the sports exhaust.